In vitro fertilization is a complex series of procedures used to treat fertility or genetic problems and assist with the conception of a child. According to our data, IVF treatment here in FMC has high success rate up to 70% because we are doing PGD test, which is a diagnostic technique used together with IVF. PGD is a genetic test on cells removed from the embryos to help select the best embryo, to achieve the pregnancy, know the gender of the embryo, and to avoid a genetic disease for which a couple is at risk. And now we are happy to announce that we are having new packages and up to 50% discount on our IVF procedures to help more couples to achieve their dreams of parenthood.
IVF Center in Farouk Medical City has one of the best IVF laboratory, which is equipped with the newest instruments and devices. In Farouk Medical City, besides general urology, I am dealing with andrology and male infertility. Male infertility is much more common than what we think. If we are looking for the causes of infertility, it is about 50% related to male factor. In our hospital, we are able to assess the male patients by clinical assessment and physical examination and doing laboratory tests including hormonal assessment, semen analysis and chromosomal analysis and like Y chromosome microdeletion detection. According to the cause of infertility, we are treating the patients either medically or surgically or combined therapy. The successful surgery that we did in Farouk Medical Cities are vasovasostomy for obstructive azoospermia, microscopic varicocelectomy for varicocele, which is one of the causes of male infertility, and the main surgery that we are doing is microscopic testicular sperm extraction. And we are able to use the sperm immediately, or we can freeze it to be used anytime in the future by a procedure called cryopreservation. By technology and experience, we can overcome most of male infertility problems. In Farouk Medical City, a lot of couples reach their dream of becoming parents. Thank you and best wishes to all of our patients.
چاودێری پزیشکی فاروق چاودێری پزیشکی بێوێنە